everybody, Pearl and Tracey here from Uniquely Creative. Today we are opening day number 20. Only 5 more days till Christmas. Are you excited? I'm so excited. Now, well done to all the girls that are still with us. I know that some girls, like my mum, get to about day 20 and they're like, yep, got to rip them all open because I have to pack this away and start prepping for Christmas. So well done if you are still opening these every day. This is Squishy Pearl. I have no idea what it is.
Foam stickers.
No, we just did them. They were in yesterday.
They were foam cubes. I think these are foam stickers.
Oh, foam stickers. We don't make foam stickers. Maybe we should. Oh, do you know what that is?
No.
This is a product called muslin or cheesecloth. It's like a really thin, beautiful material that you can use for layering when you do scrapbooking. It is super fun. I'm just going to save that envelope. Day number 20 is some beautiful muslin to add texture to your scrapbooking. Thanks so much, Pearl. Let's say goodbye to everyone, and we'll see you all again tomorrow for day number 22. See you, everybody. Bye.